In today's lesson, we'll be learning about rate of change and initial value with a focus on diagrams. If you recall, a linear relation is really just a pattern. This can be represented with the equation y equals ROC multiplied by x plus IV, where ROC is rate of change and IV is initial value. Take a look at the diagram below. There are 4 figures which form a pattern. In figure 0, there are 6 blocks. In figure 1, there are 7 blocks. In figure 2, there are 8 blocks. And in figure 3, there are 9 blocks. Visually, you can see that there is a red block being added each time. Whereas numerically, you can see that these numbers are increasing by 1 each time. That brings us to a question. What is the rate of change and what is the initial value? Well, the initial value is the initial number of blocks that you start with. So 6 would be the initial value, whereas positive 1 would be the rate of change. We can now represent this pattern with an equation. Instead of writing rate of change, we can replace it with the number 1. And instead of writing initial value, we can replace it with the number 6. Therefore, this pattern can be described with the equation y equals 1x plus 6, where y represents the number of blocks and x represents the figure number.